Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to do video on how to draw mandala, especially for beginners. First we need a sheet of paper, then compass, pencil, any kind of gel pen or marker, scale, protector, eraser, then we are all good to go. Let's start. First you need to find the center of the paper, then start drawing circles from the center and just randomly draw any number of circles as you wish. Personally, practicing mandala is kind of therapy for me. It really helps me to reduce my stress. Here, you need to divide circles into parts with the help of protractor and scale. I have divided circles into 36 parts as you can see. Now, let's start drawing. Here I'm gonna draw very basic, simple and easy pattern that anyone can easily practice. I am using very basic shapes like petals, pointed petals, lines, dot and so on in this mandala. Now let's talk more about mandala art. First, the word mandala means circle in Sanskrit language, and mandala is very famous in Hinduism and Buddhism. Talking about mandala art is the art which is in the form of circle. Mandala art is also a symbolic picture of universe, and the circle represents wholeness, infinity, timelessness and unity. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the belief is that by entering the mandala and proceeding towards its center, you are guided through the cosmic process of transforming the universe from one of suffering into one of joy and happiness. Drawing mandala or practicing mandala is a meditative process. Some clinical studies also shows many benefits of practicing mandala art. It is said that practicing mandala art promotes sleep, reduces stress and pain, and also it is said that it can boost the immune system. How amazing, isn't it? So I want to encourage you all to practice mandala art, and to practice mandala art you don't have to be perfect or say professional artist. As you all know, I am also not a perfect, but I love practicing it for myself. We just need to focus on the process. We'll definitely gonna feel good, and that is what the purpose of practicing mandala art, isn't it? And that's what matters the most. And I must say, at first while practicing mandala, you will find it difficult because it takes much time to get into the shape. That's why there is a saying that if you want to increase your patience level, you need to practice mandala art. Mandala art teaches you to be more patient. And I'm hoping that everyone gonna try at least once. And if you do, then please share your experience, like how you feel after practicing mandala. in the comment section. Now let's focus on the process. And this much for today. Hope you like it. See you soon.